Hey guys, it's a beautiful weather today. Birds are chirping, bugs are annoying, but it is what it is. So today we have this cool little Sportster here with us, and I would like to demonstrate how to mount our SL05 and SR05 solo bags. So let's get started. So this particular model comes with 3 leather straps for mounting, and no additional hardware is needed. No saddlebag support brackets are needed. No need to relocate turn signals. Everything is nice and stock, and the bags are very easy to install. It only takes a minute or two. You can put them on, take them off whenever you don't need them. So let me show you how to get it installed. So first thing you need to do, open the bag, reach inside, pull out the straps, just one end. These top two wrap around the fender strut, so you can just reach behind and feed the straps through. There is a gap between the strut and the fender from factory, so you don't have to loosen anything. The front one is the easiest. The one in the back is slightly tricky because that reflector is in the way. So you might need a little help. Maybe you can even use the key to reach in and pull the strap a little bit, so you can grab it like that. Okay. Now the bottom one wraps loosely around the bottom of the shock or the swing arm, whichever is easier for you. So now everything straps and buckles inside. The buckles stay inside the bag so they don't scratch the paint or the chrome. So just go inside simply. One, two. Okay. You can pull as tight as possible, and the bottom one as well. Okay, just like that. Okay. And that's about it. Ready to go. So that's how easy it is to get these babies mounted. It only takes 2 minutes, and now you're ready for long trips of riding and enjoying the weather. Also, currently we're looking for other bikes to feature on our social media and YouTube channel. So if you're in Richmond, Virginia area, please message us and we can collaborate together and make something cool. Thank you. If you'd like to see other bags, accessories, t-shirts, other cool stuff, please visit our website at BAD&Gcustoms.com. So my wife just told me it's a beautiful day, not beautiful weather today. So I have to retake that scene, or do I?